Welcome to the PPC Geeks Blog. Today, we're looking at buyer personas, what they are, and how you can create them. This article will help you understand how buyer personas can help your business. We will explore how to create your own buyer personas based on real market research, and how to use them to make informed marketing and sales decisions. Some of the topics covered this week are how to know which potential customers to approach, what questions to ask to develop your personas, how to use them to their greatest effect, and much more. Here at the PPC Geeks Blog, our goal is to be the only resource you'll ever need to turn your AdWords account into the money-making machine it should be. We have over 15 years AdWords experience and are offering a 100% free Google AdWords audit. So claim yours today, and we will show you how to improve your account to make more sales from less spend.